All right, here we have a 2018 Chaparral 21-foot surf boat, H2O Surf Edition. Has all the surf gates, forward-facing Volvo Penta drive. Nice big swim mat back here. Tower, board racks. Let me get in here. All right. Pretty spacious for a 21-foot boat. Here's the front. Speakers. Side little compartments here. Side compartment here. Touchscreen medallion with your gauges. All your buttons right here. This is a 12-passenger boat. There's your Volvo. There's walkthroughs on each side. Storage everywhere. Let's see if I can get into the... There we go. There's your Volvo Penta. There it is. Thanks for watching.